Leo, can you tell me touchdown? Touchdown! Do it again, Leo. Touchdown! Okay, one more time. Touchdown! Show Mama touchdown.
Show Mama.
Yeah. Hey, Leo, what does the rooster say? What does the rooster say? Leo.
He's focused on the person who has the food.
Leo, what does the rooster say?
Did you really do a touchdown? He just wants to do a touchdown. Turn around. Turn around. Okay, stand there. Okay, put your hands down. Okay, now ready. Now, I want you to say, touchdown. And say touchdown. What that means.
Can you call Ben for me? Can you call Susie?
Ben, Susie, call Pamela.
Can you tell me what the rooster says?
I don't